Usap sa pamamagitan ng video kahapon ng Ministrong Pagdepensa Dongjin at China at Ministrong Pagdepensa. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show. Boy, my show on using artificial intelligence kind of bombed. Weren't too many people interested in that, so I decided to go back to basics. And what I was doing this morning, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, I've been trying this for about an hour, is listen to shortwave, and specifically try to listen to China radio. So I set up my Retivas TR113 radio. That's a really nice radio, lots of features, good reception. And I'm in my office, which is on the second floor, so it gives us that advantage that the antenna is at least 15 feet in the air. But there's electronics in this room which tend to interfere, and I had it do a automatic tuning and storing. It didn't find a single signal, not a single signal. As a matter of fact, I noticed, I looked over and I go, wait a minute, it started over. Well, the reason it started over because it didn't find anything. So I said, okay, that's not working too well. Then I thought, okay, I need to find out if this is just me or if it's not typical or whatever. Anyway, so I thought, I'll go to web SDR, or excuse me, Kiwi SDR, and I'll find a radio in Florida. So I found this one. This was in Citrus County, about 100 miles north of me. He's using a 31-foot vertical antenna. Good antenna for shortwave. And he's receiving a lot of signals. Now I've got this zoomed in, and you can see he's getting good reception. And what you heard at the beginning was China radio at 9.720 megahertz. So he's doing great. Now, granted, he's got an outside antenna and it's 31 foot. Okay, so I thought, okay, let me see what my SDR, one of my SDRs, will do. And this is my Duo, my RSP Duo. And it's in my office, and I'm using a loop antenna in my office. So again, it's not the best case because I really need to get outside. And if I went down into my radio room, I have several outside antennas coming in there. But it's freezing cold down there. Right now it's 42 degrees outside. So I'm not going down there. So let me switch over to my radio. Where'd it go? It was here a minute ago. There it is. Okay, so I'm running, which I have found this SDR console does a better reception than the one from the people at SDR Plus. It doesn't have the feature I want, which is scanning, but it does seem to receive better. So I tuned it to, well, it's actually, I moved it. I think I'm supposed to be at 97.2. Yeah, 97.20. Okay, so let's tune that to 97.20. Okay, so you can see on the spectrum here, it's like nothing. I mean, let me center this. I like some of the features in SDR console. And boy, there's like nothing. Look down here at the waterfall. There's nothing. And I should have it set up correctly, the correct antenna. I got, go to home here. I got the gains turned up, way up. I got the SMA antenna. So, and I assume that's, see, it doesn't give me two choices. I actually have It gives me two choices. I actually have three. I have tuner 1 and tuner 2. I don't remember how to get between two of them, but I think I'm on tuner 1, which, well, we could just do a little experiment here. Let me disconnect the antenna. Hold on. If the signals completely go away. Yeah. Okay, so I got the right input, the right antenna. I'm not receiving anything at my location. This is kind of disappointing. What was kind of strange is when I first connected up to my SDR, I was getting a fairly good signal. And then all of a sudden, like 10 minutes later, it's gone. So I don't know if somebody flipped a switch out there. Now I'm looking outside right now, and it's overcast. Heavily overcast. But this guy up here, let me go back to him. He's in Florida, and all of Florida is overcast, so he should be struggling for the same thing as far as overcast. But look at all the signals he received. Let me turn this back on. Let me turn the volume back up. Takes a little while for it to... Okay, we can't have music. That's definitely China radio. And let's see what we got here. What's this? Another one. See, I don't know what that is. 9645. Nearly 14% of consumers with online shopping experience have encountered big data-driven high price discrimination, at least 9645. Let me look that up. Okay, hold on. I'm going to short-wave.info, and I'm going to type in. Okay, computer. 9645. I think that's supposed to be. That is possibly out of China also. And let me see if I can get down to the listing. And yes, 9645, China radio, and right now they're broadcasting in English. So that's what that is. That's China radio. This guy is getting it fairly strong. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with my setup. Again, I'm in my office, and I just checked the antenna. You saw that. So, boy, I am discouraged here. But that's the beauty of this option of being able to use other people's radios to listen to whatever, shortwave, VHF. Now, let me go back and see if what else we got here. Okay, there's all the radios. We zoom in here to Florida. So I was using this radio right here. This one is the one I normally use, but it was, let me see. Okay, it wasn't available before. Now it's available. This is in Palm Harbor. This is probably 15 miles north of me. Come on. Open up. There we go. He's busy. He's normally busy. Yeah, so I forgot what the colors mean. Yes, purple means he's full up, or whoever's full up. Okay, so that one's full up. I was hoping to try that one because that's close to me. Let me try. I'd like to try something over on this coast. I guess it doesn't matter because I'm trying to get China radio, which is this way. So let's see if we can get on this one. Oh, looks like looks like everybody might be struggling and using other people's radios instead of their own. Okay, I can't remember what the colors mean. I wrote that down somewhere. Okay, there. That says 0 of 3 users. All right. We should be able to get onto that one. And it's going there. It's going there. There we go. Okay. Now, let's start it. Get rid of this. Okay, we were up at 9. I didn't hear someplace. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. Now he's getting quite a bit of no. He's got a ton of signals too. Okay, let's try 9. Whatever. What was it? 9645. 9645. Here we go. Yeah. Wow. Now I'm really depressed. Oh, I was depressed because of that show I did on AI that bombed. Nobody watched it. I am really depressed now because my radio is not working. So anyway, to summarize, I tried portable radio, the TR113, in my office using this built-in telescopic antenna. Received nothing. And then I tried my radio, my SDR, which is this one here, and just as bad. It's like there's an envelope over my neighborhood that's preventing RF signals from coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.